Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play a 32-hole harmonica. First, hold the instrument gently between your thumb and forefinger, ensuring a comfortable grip. Next, familiarize yourself with the hole numbering, typically starting from the left. We'll focus on producing clear, individual notes by isolating your breath to one hole at a time. Proper breathing from your diaphragm is crucial for consistent tone and endurance, allowing you to play. To master single notes, you can use either lip pursing or tongue blocking. Lip pursing involves shaping your mouth as if you are sipping through a straw, focusing air on one hole. Tongue blocking uses your tongue to cover multiple holes, leaving one open. Practice blowing and drawing air through holes 4, 5, and 6 to hear the fundamental C major scale. This foundational exercise will build your muscle memory and ear for the instrument. Playing a put option is essentially the opposite strategy. You would identify an asset that you believe will decline in value. Similar to calls, you select a strike price and an expiry date that fit your market outlook. Then, you purchase the put option via your angel broking platform. If the asset's price drops below your chosen strike price by the expiry date, you can exercise your right to sell or sell the option for a gain. To truly enhance your harmonica skills, delve into advanced techniques like note bending. Bending involves subtly changing the pitch of a note by altering your mouth shape and breath pressure. This adds a bluesy, expressive quality. Vibrato, a pulsating effect, can also add warmth and character to your playing. Consistent, daily practice, even for just 15 minutes, is key to progress. Finally, listen to various harmonica players to inspire your own unique style.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.